Hi, my name is Phyna, and I just won the Big Brother Naija Level Up season. And these are the comments some of you made while I was in. Okay. This Daniela class right now, that's what Phyna lacks. Embarrassing your man is what every man hates. I now understand why Groovy has been preventing her from taking too much alcohol. He saw through her. Wow. Well, I don't have much to say. All I have to say is audition for Big Brother. Go and do you. And this other one says, Phyna messing herself up and embarrassing herself really pains Chichi sha. Chichi is my friend though, and we got love for each other. She too, she will embarrass herself. I will talk to her. So why her own can't be super story? When I get power. Okay, the other one says, this Phyna is too embarrassing. Have your boyfriend and leave Beauty alone. She did not come to meet you. Obviously, she did not, and she won't. Thank you. Why continue a conversation that is hurting you, fellow Bini Winch? Thought the trio were great friends. Phyna is actually not loyal to her friends, Rachel and Chichi. Wahala be like loyalty. Well, we're just doing me. I'm just vibing. We are all vibing. So if you define loyalty, go collect them inside Bible. Wow, and lots, a lot of comments here. Anyways, thank you for all that you're saying, everything. But regardless, 100 million not be anybody made. So if you think you're a perfect human being, you can stay loyal, faithful, do the whole thing right. Big Brother is free and fair. Try your luck. Thank you.